Snow Leopard includes many tools that you can use to enrich teaching and more fully involve students in the learning process. One of these is iChat, included on every Mac, that students can use to communicate with text, audio, and video chats, as well as to collaborate by sharing the same screen from different computers. Open iChat by clicking its icon in the dock. If you've already set up an account, you'll be logged in automatically. Otherwise, select one of the account types and enter your information, or click Get an iChat account. When you're logged in, the buddy list shows that you're connected and available to chat. The list shows the people you've added as buddies and their status. You can change your status to available or away with the pop-up menu at the top of the window. To add a new buddy, click the plus button, choose Add Buddy, and enter an account name. You can also add a contact from your address book by clicking this triangle. Once iChat is set up, you and your students can use it as you work on your sustainability project. You can collaborate with others, visit remote locations, and have discussions with experts. With text chats, students can quickly communicate with each other, sharing information and files. To start a text chat, just double-click a buddy's name. In the chat window that opens, type your message and press the return key to send it. A chat window opens on your buddy's computer with an Accept button. The other person then clicks Accept and can type a message back that appears in your chat window. Those taking part in a chat can quickly share any file. Here, a student will send a Pages document with a draft of a movie script about recycling for another student to review. Just drag the file into the message area of the chat window or to a buddy's name in the buddy list. The person receiving the file can then make changes to the file and send it back. As with text chats, it's easy to start a video chat. The camera icon shows who is set up for video chat. In this example, as part of their study of sustainable food, the class will have a video chat with the university professor. Here, the icon shows that the computer in the classroom is ready for a video chat and that the guest is as well. To begin the chat, click the person's name, then click the camera icon next to it. Just like with the text chat, the video chat begins once the other person accepts the invitation. As soon as you see each other on screen, just start talking.
Class, I'd like to introduce you to Professor Kelsey Reed, who teaches environmental science at Lansdale University.
Click the full screen button at the bottom of the chat window to view the chat in full screen. A video chat can be recorded so it can be viewed later or used in students' projects. Just choose Record Chat from the video menu. Other participants will be asked for permission before the recording begins.
Hi everyone, I'm happy to meet with you today. Your teacher has asked me to come and speak with you about issues related to sustainable food, which I understand you've been studying. So first, I'd like to share with you a presentation about some exciting changes that people have been undertaking to make food service at schools more environmentally sustainable.
With iChat Theater, it's easy to share any file that opens with Quick Look. From her computer, she clicks the plus button at the bottom of the chat window, then Share a File with iChat Theater, and selects the presentation. The first slide opens in the video window in iChat. Keynote opens on her computer, and she uses its navigation controls to move through the slides.
Here at Lansdale University, we realized that much of the garbage we threw away could be used in better and more sustainable ways. So we put compost bins in all of our cafeterias and ran an advertising campaign to teach people exactly what could be composted.
After the expert has finished her presentation, the class can ask questions and share their own ideas and files.
Thanks for your presentation. Class, do you have any questions?
Do you know how much landfill can be saved by making these sort of changes at schools?
That's a good question. A recent study has shown that if the number...
When the chat is done, just close the window. If you recorded the chat, it's automatically added to your iTunes library so you can easily keep track of it. iChat also includes a screen sharing feature for when students need some extra assistance from you or want to collaborate with another student. From your Mac, you can view and control the Mac of anyone on your buddy list. For example, students working on a sustainability project might need help as they use iMovie to produce a public service announcement about recycling or record a podcast about local food in GarageBand. To start using screen sharing, in iChat, select a student in your buddy list. Then, click the screen sharing button at the bottom of your buddy list and choose Ask to Share Screen. The buddy is asked to give permission to the request, and then that student's screen appears on your display. An audio chat automatically starts so you can also talk through the process.
Hi, Miss Carter. My group's podcast is all done, but I don't remember how to save it to the wiki.
No problem. First, your podcast needs to be exported. You do this from the Share menu here.
Now students can watch on their computer as you demonstrate what to do next.
Now click Save and your podcast will be exported to your computer. Next, we'll add this to the wiki.
Students can use these same techniques to work with each other on a project from different computers. To switch back to your screen, just click it or click X to end screen sharing. iChat allows you to present richer content to excite and motivate your class and offers students a powerful tool for collaboration and communication.